In today's video, I'll show you how to make engaging short videos in Canva in just a few minutes. First, open Canva and type short video in the search bar. Browse through the templates, animated, minimalist, or vibrant, and pick one that fits your style. Click Customize this template to open the editor. Click on any text box to change the text, font size, or color. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easy to adjust elements exactly how you want. Next, trim your video clips using the scissors tool to make your content concise and punchy. Preview your video to make sure everything flows smoothly. Finally, hit download or share to save or post your video directly to social media. And that's it. You've created a short, eye-kicking video ready to engage your audience. Happy designing!